Every day is a new day, a new opportunity, a new chance. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Class 2D, I welcome our Junior Wing Head Sarika ma'am, our coordinator Malin ma'am, all our educators, and my dear children. Dear friends, there is a saying, great satisfaction comes from sharing with others. Sharing money, food, and any other materialistic things is not a true means of caring someone. Giving your precious time, keeping your friends and loved ones happy, fulfilling their wishes is a true means of caring and sharing. The topic for today's class assembly is sharing is caring. Now I would like to call class 2D students on the stage to begin the assembly.
No morning can be started without remembering the Almighty, the creator of the whole universe. So, let's start our day with a prayer. Embrace every new day with gratitude, hope, and love. So now, I would like to invite my fellow mates to enlighten and brighten this morning with their thoughts. Hi everyone, today's thought is the best way to multiply your happiness is to share it with others. Thank you.
Is caring when given from the heart with pleasure.
About sharing, if we are good at something, pass it on. Candle loses its light while lighting another candle. Never stop sharing, caring, and helping others because it makes our life more meaningful. Care for to us. So now, let's enjoy a foot tapping dance on sharing is caring.
I love to share because I care. I share with you 'cause I like to. And I know you'll share with me. And you will share with me. 'Cause sharing is the right thing to do. And so much care is what I have for you. So let's share. Oh, 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 oh. I love to share because I care. I share with you 'cause I like to. And I know you'll share with me. And you will share with me. 'Cause sharing is the right thing to do. And so much care is what I have for you. So let's share. I love to share because I care. I share with you 'cause I like to. And I know you'll share with me. And you will share with me. 'Cause sharing is the right thing to do. And so much care is what I have for you. So let's share.
I would like to invite my fellow friend Arav, who will recite a poem on sharing is caring. For friends to do, sharing and caring. Who am I and who are you? Sharing, caring friends. I like you and you like me. It's the nicest thing to be. Sharing, caring friends. Share your dog, I'll share my cat. Share your ball, I'll share my bat. Share your orange, I'll share my plum. Share your drum, I'll share my horn. Sharing and caring friends. Thank you. Enjoyed our assembly. Thank you.
Sarika ma'am to please come and share your views. Please.
So I don't want to share my views, but I just want to appreciate what you children, but I think if you can bring that in practice,
Yes, ma'am.
because it's very important. As kids, if we learn that by sharing, we don't lose anything, rather we gain. And in the long term, we gain a good friend. So if someone's not brought the stationery and you just share your pencil or your eraser, nothing will go wrong. But what we learned from the assembly today was that it's not about sharing just your physical things. That means not just sharing your book, your pencil, your tiffin. It's about sharing your good time with your grandparents. You have grandparents at home? Yes! When you share, when you sit with them, share your experiences with them, what happened during the day. That is sharing and caring. Because you're caring for them, and that's how you're sharing your precious time with them. Sit with your parents. Just do away with your TV programs and your mobiles. When you sit with your parents and you talk to them about what you learned in school the whole day, that is when you show the care for your parents. Because you also want to tell them that thank you mama, thank you papa, because you have given us such good care, such good schooling. You're giving us so many good clothes, such good food. And every time remember, we are very fortunate. All of us are very lucky because we have such caring and sharing parents. Is it easy to give away your hard money for someone? No. But our parents always do that. They are working hard the whole day, they are earning money, and they spend most of the money on their children. So should we not be thankful to them? So today each one of you should go back home and just speak one line to the parents. And what is that one line? What? Thank you.
Thank you for everything you have done for us.
That you are doing also.
Yes.
So please repeat so that others will know. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Whatever you call them.
Thank you, Papa, for doing everything and you are still doing.
Great. Okay? Yeah, you also want to add on something? So today, because I am going to ask your teachers whether you have shared or not.
Thank you for taking care of us and be a good friend for us. Thank you, Mama, Papa.
Wow, that's amazing. You're very good.
Thank you for doing all this for us.
Great. But do you feel that I should tell you to do all this? Do you really feel you should go and say? Do you really feel you should go and say? Only do something when you are actually feeling convinced that I should say. Not because my ma'am has said. Because I feel that I must say.
We should thank our mother and grandparents and parents. They give us everything.
Yes.
Thank you, Mama, Papa, for sharing with me things.
Very good. Quick.
Thank you, Papa, for giving me many.
So all of you feel like this?
Yes.
Okay. So we just pass it on here quickly and then we finish.
Thank you, Mama, Papa, for giving me so many things.
Great. You also feel the same? So let's all clap for ourselves first. I think we all are lucky. We have parents who are so caring and who are so wonderful. We must thank them. Today even I will call my parents. All teachers will call their parents. And we will all together thank our parents for being so caring for us and sharing their wonderful and precious time with us. Will we all do that?
Yes.
Okay? Thank you so much for also giving me this opportunity that I can also call up my parents and tell them thank you for all that you are doing for us and still you continue to do. They are the best friends in the world. Yes or no? Yes. Parents are the best friends in the world. Thank you everyone. Thank you Principal. To Class 2D for actually working on this wonderful topic. But yes, once again I will say, you must have a caring attitude and always share whatever you can. Be that good children. Thank you.